Hey y'all, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. In today's video I will be showing you guys an easy recipe on how to make chicken fajitas. It's so easy and it's so good, so keep on watching and let's get started. Alright, to get started, we're going to start by cutting our peppers. I am using red bell pepper and as well as some yellow bell pepper. You can use green too if you want. And I went ahead and cut some onions as well. Just thinly slice your red bell pepper and your yellow bell pepper. Alrighty, next I am going to cut my chicken. I slice it in the middle, like right here. I slice it so it can be nice and thin and not too thick. And then I am going to cut it like jullien cut, okay? Alright, time to marinate the chicken. I will leave every single seasoning that I use down below, so be sure to check it out. What I just added is some soy sauce, next I will be adding some chili powder, next I am adding some garlic powder, some cumin, and this is paprika, and also I added my salt. Now we're going to give it a quick mix. Make sure your hands are nice and clean. Well, I added a little bit more soy sauce. We're going to add some lime juice in there as well. I am using 1 lime. And then now use your clean hands, just mix it together. Now you can put this on the side to rest for a little bit so it can be nice and, tasty, but I am going right ahead and cook it. I added about a tablespoon of olive oil in this skillet here. Then I will be adding my yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, and as well as my onion. I almost said green bell pepper. And I did chop the onion off camera. Just add that in there. Make sure you cook this on medium low. You can cook them for about 5 minutes or until all your veggies I guess, are nice and cook, okay? Or tender. I did went ahead and add a little bit of salt, as you guys can see that. Just sprinkle some salt in there. That's all you needed for the red bell peppers and the onion. Once it's nice and soft, it's gonna be falling apart. It's not gonna be as straight. It's cooked. You can tell it's cooked. Just remove it from the skillet. Put it on the side so we can use it later. Now I am going in with the chicken. Just add the chicken in there. You can also grill your chicken, bake your chicken, whatever works for you. Once your chicken is nice and golden, just flip it over, just like I am doing right now. I like it to be super golden brown, so that's why I left it there for a little bit until it's nice and golden brown, just like so. And once the other side is nice and golden brown, we're going in with about 1/2 cup of water. I am going to add it little by little, by the way, And next I am going to add my peppers in there as well as the onion. Just mix it up together. And now I am going in with a little bit more of that water, just so it's not too dry. Okay, you want it to have some type of sauce so it can be nice and moist. Just mix it up together. I am going to plate it for you guys, just like so. There it is, guys. You have yourself chicken fajitas made at home, fresh, and it was so quick to make. This is it. You can eat this with a taco, burrito. You can eat it with cilantro rice. You can eat it with white rice. Basically, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you are new here, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.